Oga landlord, please. I'm begging you.
Don't kneel down for me. I am not God. Just get up from there.
Ay.
Why must you borrow to go home?
Please, sir.
You are borrowing to travel home. Because why? Why should you borrow to travel home? If you don't have money to travel, you stay where you are. Now you have finished Christmas. Christmas has finished. You better stay where you did the Christmas.
The truth is that when we looked around and discovered that almost all the co-tenants have traveled, so we said, okay, let's look for a means to travel home. You know, Christmas like this, if you didn't travel, it will look as if your own is the worst. So my wife here suggested that we should look for a place.
Is your own not the worst now? Are other tenants here now? They paid and you didn't pay. Is your own not the worst?
We didn't know it would turn out this way.
Listen, the shame will be on you when I will send the belly to come and throw your things away from the house.
Just
I got to put it. I got 2 people in Ilo. 2 weeks in a does not exist.
Landlord, Biko.
2 weeks does not
Oga
exist.
landlord, please.
Biko. Even our children's school fees, we have not yet paid.
Let me tell you, your beautiful face does not change my mind. Listen, if you think about it, I'm not even going to listen to you. 2 weeks is not anywhere to be seen. I'm not giving you any 2 weeks. You borrowed. You say Makwandaibo, you come back now to live in credit. And they've been on without payment. Oh yes, now no why must you borrow to go home? You borrow to go home because others are traveling. Now others have returned. You are not returned. The real shame will come when I will throw away your goods, your belongings to the outside. They will be there watching.
Landlord,
your TV will be the first thing that will bust on the road. After your TV, the next thing will be your deep freezer. Bust on the road.
If we had known, maybe we would have used that money to settle you. But we didn't know that things will turn out this way. Biko.
It's not a must that you will travel home. You travel home, go and you create problems here and there. And you burn children without limits. Because you feel you can burn children.
Let's go.
There is nothing I can do for you. If you want to stay there, money for hand, bag for ground. If you don't want to continue staying there, just go and pack your luggages and go.
We have heard you.
You listen to your wife, and now you will listen to her again because you people are quitting. Now leave my presence. People don't know how to program their priorities. Your scale of preferences must be first things first. There is another Christmas. If you don't celebrate this year, next year you will celebrate. Try to meet up before you do. And how can somebody go and borrow to travel home for Christmas? What kind of rubbish is that? You are borrowing to travel for Christmas. Wow. Too bad. Let me see your leg here again.